Hey Draculaura. A for lease building. Let's turn it into our own restaurant.
Great idea, Wario.
Hi, Wario and Draculaura.
Hi Arthur and DW.
Can me and my twin brother get a job here? Yes. Hi, Wario, Draculaura, Arthur, and DW.
Hi Lemon Boy and Chica.
Can we get a job here?
Sure.
Hey guys, can me and Annie get the job here?
Sure.
Hey guys, can I work here?
No way, Warren Cook. Besides, we already have enough people working here.
But if we did have more room, we still won't hire you because you always put fake VHS videos on YouTube.
Now beat it and don't come back.
You guys aren't my friends.
Well, we didn't want to be your friends anyway.
Stop following me. What's he doing with you? This guy has been following me around and I was trying to get away from him.
I was only following you because they wouldn't let me get a job.
So that's why you have been chasing me? Thanks for telling me. Now scram and stop making fake VHS openings on you. I'm calling your parents.
Wario and Draculaura. Arthur and DW. Lemon Boy. Chica. Tom and Danny.
We all can't believe that you open up the restaurant while grounded. Wario and Draculaura, you're grounded for a week. Arthur and DW, you're grounded for a week.
Lemon Boy, you're grounded for a week. Chick, you're grounded for a week.
Tom and Danny, you're grounded for a week.
You all will suffer the consequences when we get home.